Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows failed to load because the system registry file is missing or corrupt status 0xc00000e9. The Windows registry is the configuration database for operating system and programs. The system registry files are very important. Once a file is missing or damaged, errors will occur. This video try how to fix with the situation when the system registry file is missing. Then you press the enter button to continue. Thereafter you enter again last known good configuration, advanced. Even after selecting the last known good configuration, advanced, the problem is still showing. To fix the problem, you first need to make a bootable pen drive. Note that the OS you have installed on your computer will be bootable on the pen drive. My bootable pen drive is already made. You can make it too. You can see how to make it by clicking on the link I button and see the video. Insert the computer into the bootable pen drive, then restart the computer. After the computer restart, in order to access BIOS setup on a Windows PC, you must press your BIOS settings setup key set by your manufacturer, which could be F10, F2, F12, F1, or Del button. Once the BIOS setup is open, select the pen drive you created with the bootable pen drive and press the enter key. After selecting the pen drive, your Windows computer will boot. Before you fix it yourself, you must know about computer, and after watching this video, if computer is any other problem, then it is your fault. Choose your language setting and then click next. Then click on repair your computer. After clicking repair your computer, system recovery options is searching for the problem. See for yourself the problem here is find your computer startup options. Showing your computer repair and restart here, you can restart the computer by clicking repair and restart. After the computer restarts, you boot the computer for the second time with your bootable pen drive, just like I booted the computer before. In the same way, by repairing your computer, this position came. Then when the system recovery options come up, click on Windows 7 and then click on next button. Now your computer system is recovering the file. Startup repair problem will take a little while to solve. After a while the startup repair option will show system restore. You will just click the restore button. The computer will take some time to be repaired. After the computer is repaired, a window will pop up and it will say restart your computer is complete the repairs. Showing this Windows pop-up means that your Windows repair or the problem that was being shown at startup has been fixed. Then click the finish button. After clicking the finish button, the computer will restart. When the computer restarts, the computer will turn on again. As soon as it starts, you must open the bootable pen drive and let the computer boot. You will see that the computer will start without any problem. This way you can fix the computer too. If you like this tutorial, after watching my video, please like the video. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.